Today, we are going to set up paid plans in a Base44 app using Stripe. The goal is to collect subscription payments and unlock premium features for users in a clean and simple way. We will start by connecting to Stripe. Before touching Stripe, decide which parts of your app will stay free and which ones will be behind a paywall. You can ask the Base44 chat in Discuss mode to help you plan this. Once you are clear on what users pay for, open Stripe in a new browser tab and sign up. After that, switch Stripe to Sandbox mode. This is the testing environment where you can use fake payments to make sure everything works. Now go back to your Base44 dashboard. Open Settings, then App Settings, and activate backend functions. Once that is active, prompt the chat to integrate with Stripe. Base44 will ask for API credentials. Click the option to set secrets, then return to Stripe and copy your secret key from the dashboard. Paste it into the Stripe secret key field in Base44. Next, we need a webhook secret. In Stripe, use the search bar to find webhooks. Create a new destination and keep the default settings. When choosing events, select Invoice Paid, then Continue. Give the destination a name and set the endpoint URL to your app domain. Create the destination and copy the signing secret. Paste this value into the webhook secret field in Base44 and save. Base44 will now generate backend logic and a pricing page for your app. It will also give you the final setup steps. Usually, this includes creating a product in Stripe. Go to the Product section, create a new product, set it as recurring, and choose a monthly price. After the product is created, copy the price ID. Back in Base44, open the code section and find the pricing file. Replace the placeholder price ID with a real one from Stripe. To test everything, publish the app and open the pricing page. Click the Upgrade button and complete the checkout using test card details from Stripe Sandbox mode. After checkout, Stripe will send a confirmation and your app should unlock premium access for the test user. Once you are confident everything works, replace the test keys and webhook secret with live ones. Thanks for watching.